What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. We've had the breakout that we've been anticipating. We're up almost 9% on the day. We're sitting at 47,470. We're sitting at a market cap of 891 billion. 24-hour volume is 39.25 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. So my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We've broken out of our symmetrical triangle. As I had talked about yesterday, when we were coming up and meeting this level of resistance, I said expect either a backtest of this support once again or some consolidation, and then we see our breakout. And that's exactly what's happened here. We broke through 44.9. And we've come all the way up to a level of previous level of support here, previous level of resistance at about 47.3K. We do have a technical target from the symmetrical triangle up at about 48.5. So I quickly want to show you guys Bitcoin here on the daily. So we can see on the daily chart, we created a bit of a larger double bottom pattern here. So you have your bottom, and then you would have your second bottom. And your breakout target for that is all the way up at about 50.2K. We've also thrown back up in validating our head and shoulders pattern. I talked about us creating this strong level of support, and it's beautiful to see our breakout. We're back above the EMAs here on the daily. We've also broken out of our falling wedge pattern. So your target for that is all the way up at 53K. Now you can see here, I pulled my Fibonacci from a previous swing high down to our swing low, and we're finding some resistance right here at the golden ratio. So if we can see some consolidation in between about 45.9K, about 46K, and the golden ratio of about 47.5, allow the EMAs to catch back up, then we'd be looking really, really healthy for continuation. I would expect us to find some resistance here in between about 49.5 and 50.4. You can see there was some support and resistance in this area. And then if we break through that, your target is here at 53K. You know what happens if you get back above the golden ratio? It gives you a higher likelihood of heading back up to the 1.272 extension, about 57.4K. And then we may find a little bit of resistance at about 54.2K. You can see the support in this area. But beautiful to finally see our breakout here. Do target 53K. This is the technical target from your falling wedge. If we look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we pull up the 21-week moving average. I've been covering it for a couple weeks now. We beautifully bounced off of it. I said if we break below this moving average, it's not a great sign. We'd have to bounce back up rather quickly. But as you can see here, we beautifully bounced off the 21-week moving average. If we come up and we break 53K, we're good to go for continuation on this bull run. We come up and break our high at about 65K, and we head up to 100K and beyond. All right, guys. So we'll end the video here on the daily time frame. But quick shout out to the Discord, guys. I did post this chart pattern for Bitcoin just as it was starting to break out and test 44.9K. Not only me, but other members are posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader and investor. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. So we'll end the video here on the daily time frame. So keep an eye on the golden ratio, guys. It's coming in. I'll give it a little price target here at about 47.4K. We are trending into overbought on the 4-hour and on the hourly as well. So if we can see a little bit of consolidation here, we break the golden ratio. Your next levels of resistance in between about 49.5 and 50.4K. And then you have your technical target at 53K from your falling wedge. If we were to see a bit of harsher sell-off here, do target 44.2K, previous level of support, as well as the level of resistance from our falling wedge. If you'd like to trade Bitcoin, I would highly recommend Bybit. That's where I do all my leverage trading. If you're new to leverage trading, check out my full length tutorial and you get up to $600 in bonuses. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.